Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn something ordinary, like a fruit net wrapper, you know the one like from apple and pears, into a cute little flowers. It's a simple craft that you can do with your kids at home. I got this idea after scrolling through internet and reading some online craft blog. I'll put all the links in the description box below. I adjusted some of the material to the things I already have at home. You can also do the same, just modify it according to what you have. The main star here is the fruit net wrapper. So make sure to save them before they end up in the bin. Ready? Let's jump in. Here's what you need. A fruit net wrapper. It have a different colors. I really like the red and yellow. Pen or crayon. I have a leftover hand paint, crayon and stick paint, so I will just use that. Scissor, but this one is for mommies. Tape, you can use double-sided tape or a regular tape. You can also use a cotton bud to add to your patterns. And finally, a piece of paper in any size to stick the flower. Here is how we did it. First, we cut the fruit wrapper into small pieces. I usually cut it into 4 parts. It's better that mommy do it, since it needs a scissor. Then, after that, we can just stick a double-sided tape in one side of the net piece. Your kid also can do this. Then, your kid can stick it on a paper, however they like. It doesn't need to look like a perfect flower. And honestly, it probably won't, but that's the fun part. After you stick it, now let your child use crayons or paint to draw the stem, leaf, soil, and even the sun, butterfly, or bee. My kids really love drawing his own version of the flower, and usually he will tell me a random story while doing it. If you are using pen, you can use the cotton bud and also the fruit wrapper to create different pattern. To add into the excitement, you can also let your kid to paint their hand. My kid really loves doing that. That's it. That's how to make the flower. Very easy, right? Okay, so here is the fun part. The expectation was this perfect blooming flower craft that I saw online. But the reality? Well, my kid flowers looks more like a squash tomato at first. However, he was really proud of it and he really have a lot of fun making it. And that's what really matters. This little project usually keep my kid busy for around 30 to 60 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with other mommies.